Chapter 17 Forest Our Life. One evening, the boy entered the park with the elderly person. They introduced him as friend. Professor Ahmad was scientist working on the university. The children started playing while Professor Ahmad sat on a bench on the corner. It was tired as he had participated in the Golden Jubilee celebration of the town. After a while, the children also came and sat around him. They wanted to know about the celebrations. Professor Ahmad told them that after the culture program, the senior people discussed the town's unemployment problem. A plan was proposed to put up a factory by cleaning an area of the forest just outside the town. This would give the increasing population of the town a chance to get jobs. The children were very surprised when Professor Ahmad told them that many people had objected to this idea. This is because the forest serves as greenland and water purifying system in nature. Professor Ahmad explained. The children were confused. Professor Ahmad realized that the children had not visited a forest. The children also wanted to know more about the forest, so they decided to visit with Professor Ahmad. Visit to a forest. One Sunday morning, the children packed a few things like a knife and a hand lens, a stick, a notebook, and walked together through the forest trail near the village. On their way, they met Tibu, a young boy for their age group of nearby village who was taking cattle for grazing along with his aunt. He was very agile, running here and there. He kept the herd together. When he saw the children, Tibu also started walking along with them while his children went on the different paths. As soon as they entered the forest, Tibu realized this and the signaled them to keep quiet. Distance noise could disturb the animal having in the forest. Tibu then took them to a place at a height of snow, then the broad view of the forest. Children were surprised because they could not see any land. The different tree tops had formed green cover over the land. However, the cover was not uniformly green. Environment the environment was peaceful and a cool breeze was blowing. This made children quite fresh and happy. While coming down, they got excited on the hearing a sudden sound of birds and some noise from the top branches of the trees. Tibu told them to relax since it was normal phenomenon. Here, because of the children's presence, some monkeys had climbed together up on the trees where they disturb the birds. Animals often give this type of warning call to alert other animals. Tibu also told that many other animals like boar, bison, jackals, porcupine, elements, because of forest. Professor Ahmad continued children that they should not go deep into their forest. Bozor and Pali reminded that they have studies about forest as an example of habitat and they could not say now how the forest provide a home for many animals and plants. The land where the children were the walking was uneven and covered with many trees. Tibu helped them to identify salt, sticks, sesame, neem, plus fig, khair, amla, bamboo, kachnar. Professor Ahmad pointed out the several other trees, herbs, and trees in the forest. The forest floor and the trees were also covered with different types of creepers and climbers. The sun was hereby visible through the leaves of the trees, touching quite dark inside the forest.
बिहार होंगे स्टेट आपकी एप से लगाइए स्टेट प्रेजेंट एप से स्टेटस लगाइए बिहार मंगे स्टेट की स्टेट
लाइट ही चली गई।
हाँ बिहार मंगे स्टेट स्टेट रिपोर्ट